Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to build a real-world modular monolith application. We will build a shipments application which contains two modules, a shipments module and a stocks module, which talk with each other. We will use a SQL Server database. I found that ABP frameworks helps a lot in building a modular monolith application. It has a ready template, a ready components and blocks for building a modular monolith application. So you can focus on building and implementing actual business requirements, your use cases, and don't bother about the boilerplate code on building controllers, repositories, how to call a database, how to call another module, how to publish and subscribe to events, how to build UI for each module and combine it in a single deployment unit. A few days ago, an ABP Studio was officially released, and I will show you how we can use ABP Studio to create the modular monolith application. You can download the ABP Studio here. I have already downloaded the ABP Studio, and let's create our project. I will select an application single layer for our runnable single application, and I will enter the shipments modular application. A few options you have for the UI framework, and we will use the MVC Riser pages for this application. We will use Entity Framework Core, and we have a few database providers supported by the ABP. We will use SQL Server for this application. I have SQL Server running in my Docker container, and I will pass my connection string, test connection, and connection succeeded. We're not going to need a multi-tenancy for this application. We will select Lepton X theme. We're not going to need other components. And we will set up this solution as a modular monolith. And let's create it. All right, our solution is created, and the ABP Studio is preparing our project. The first step is to create our database. All right, our database was updated, and let's navigate to SQL Server. Okay, we can see that all of the ABP tables were successfully created. Here is how you can run the application. You can navigate and click on the solution runner and click Run.